John, welcome to the Law Show.
Thank you. Thank you for taking my call. About a year ago, I got pulled over and I got a drunk driving ticket, and they suspended my license for a year.
Yep.
And I'm on probation for a year and a half.
Does that mean that you've got a second drunk driving, that's a second drunk driving?
Yes.
That's what I thought. Because on a first drunk driving, you just lose your license for, I think, 60 days, and it's not a hard loss. It's just restricted. When you get the second, then you get a hard loss for a year. So
that's
what
correct.
You want to do is you want to get your driver's license back. And
right.
We always tell people when they have a second conviction of drunk driving that you need to start consulting with your counsel right away to make sure that you're prepared to go to the Secretary of State and ask for your license to be given back to you, okay? So
right. Well, I'm coming up on 11 months clean and sober, and, well, needless to say, my job requires me to be able to drive, and I haven't been able to work. So, needless to say, that's what I'm trying to do is find out what's necessary, and can I get off probation early? Because I may have to leave the state to get work.
Well, first of all, kudos and congratulations to you for your success in staying clean and sober. We always support people in their efforts to do so. We know that in some cases it's very difficult, and that requires a tremendous amount of strength on your part. And so our hat's off to you, collectively,
thank you.
all the members of the Dailey Law Firm. Now, let's get on to your other question. Can you get off of probation early? The answer is, I don't know. It depends on a lot of things. It depends on the court you're in front of, the judge that handled this case. Please don't mention that judge's name on the air. And it depends upon how you have conducted yourself in the 11 months or year since you were pulled over, okay? There's lots of things that go into this, and we can't possibly tell you what is the chance of you getting off of probation early without sitting down and talking with you. And Matt Kachik of my office, he is the head of the Divorce and Family Law and Criminal Defense Departments of the Dailey Law Firm, and he can sit down and talk with you and get you ready to go, not only to ask the judge to let you off probation early, but also to the Secretary of State to get your driver's license back. I'd probably recommend that you sit down and take advantage of the free initial consultation with him, okay?
Okay.
Do you know how to get in touch with Matt Kachik?
Yeah, the probation officer indicated that I could get it off probation early, but my license is the main thing. If I have to leave the state, I definitely need to work anywhere. I'm involved with the construction business.
I hear you. And, listen, if there's a way to do it, Matt Kachik can do it. If he can't do it,
I'll call him Monday.
Nobody else can do it.
What time do you open, 9?
Yeah, we're open at 9, but he won't be in the office until Tuesday, okay?
Okay.
Just leave a message on Monday and he'll get back with you.
All right.
Thanks for calling the Law Show. We're going to continue answering all your legal questions at 866-66-LAWYER. And now we're going to speak with Jim. Jim, welcome to the Law Show.
Hi.
What can we do for you?
I have a felony possession charge along with a misdemeanor larceny on the same problem. I'm wondering, is it possible to get that expunged?
No, it is absolutely impossible to do that, and the reason why is the expungement statute in Michigan requires that a person seeking expungement have only one conviction for one criminal charge. You've just told me that you've got a felony and a misdemeanor that excludes you from the benefits and the relief granted under that statute, unfortunately. Your only other option is to try to go back to court and ask the court to give you relief from judgment, which is very hard to do, but I've seen it done, or to get very political and ask the next governor for a pardon. Okay? Thanks for calling the Law Show. We're going to continue answering all your legal questions at 866-66-LAWYER. That's 866-66-LAWYER.